How are businesses using AI to increase profit and innovation? This question is not only intriguing, but also essential in understanding the current business landscape. Consider this. Goldman Sachs predicts that the adoption of artificial intelligence by companies could drive the stock market up by 5 to 14%. The potential increase in stock market value hinges on the profitability gains resulting from AI implementation. A prime example is NVIDIA, a company whose stock soared by over 30% after announcing increased demand for its AI chips. Imagine the efficiency gains businesses could harness from AI. Profits and stock prices could skyrocket. The adoption of AI could also lead to increased productivity and output in the economy. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks, such as the difficulty of predicting future productivity gains and potential government limitations. Now take a moment to contemplate the rise of AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya believes that Google's dominance in search may come to an end due to these AI developments. Companies like Microsoft, Oracle, Chinese internet companies, and Facebook could potentially become competitors to Google search. But it's not just about competition, it's also about empathy. In these times of widespread economic, political, and environmental uncertainty, businesses that show empathy and support during difficult times are more likely to win and retain customers. By implementing empathetic business strategies, companies can enhance their value and build long-term customer loyalty. So, what have we explored today? We've delved into how the adoption of artificial intelligence by businesses could increase stock market value and profitability. We've considered how AI advancements like chatbots could disrupt dominant players in the industry. And we've emphasized the importance of empathy in business strategies. As we move forward, remember this. The integration of AI in business isn't just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping the business landscape, fostering innovation, and driving profitability. This is the era of artificial intelligence in business, an era of profitability, innovation, and empathy.